Okay, open.
Open.
Oh no, you didn't!
Too many years going blind, caught in an action I can't rewind. Oh, and in my head I'm screaming, but out of my mind I'm still too young to feel this way.
Good morning! Say good morning! 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 We are taking a walk with our guide. Oh, bike. We're taking a walk with our guide up to the Michelangelo's Plaza, and supposedly it's really good views and stuff. I'm gonna try and get some drone footage, and then we have a free day to ourselves. So we're gonna explore the city on our own. Arno River from the other side. So yesterday we were walking on that side, so now we're on the other side. Okay, we're walking up, getting a nice calf workout. We're about halfway now. Oh, all right, we're getting there. We're getting there. Holy moly. Okay, we made it. Look at this view. I know, it doesn't look the same in the camera, but I promise you, it's beautiful. And let me walk over here because you can see. Okay, so there's the Duomo where we were yesterday. The Arno River. So the plaza, that's the big minister, or prime minister's tower where he would live. I forgot to say that yesterday. Wow, that's so cool. Also, there's a law that no other building can be taller than the Duomo. Back from like 1400s to today, that rule still applies. So you can see the like height of everything else. Now we came around to the other corner. And then here's the actual plaza, guys, if you ever want to see that. Okay, so really quick before we head out, I wanted to explain what happened this morning. So this morning we had a little mix-up where it was 9 in the morning and some people just walked into our room, which is like everybody's worst fear staying at a hotel, right? Because there's no extra double lock in the room that we were in, and I was like asleep, so I woke up and I was like, what is going on here? And the people came in and were like, oh, sorry. And so, whatever, long story short, we went and talked to the front desk and got it figured out, but I thought it was random people got access to our room, and I was like, that's a no-no. But what happened was I guess there's another group here, and the bell service or something came into the room and thought we were the other group to get the luggage and stuff. So luckily it wasn't strangers, but still was very concerning. So we ended up switching rooms. So now I'm in another room, and it kind of works out because it's actually bigger. Whew. All good. Very like concerning though, because can you imagine how I felt having, like, you're asleep and somebody just walks into your room? And I knew it was not housekeeping because they didn't knock. It was 9 in the morning. I had the do not disturb tag on my door, so housekeeping's usually pretty good about that. So I knew it wasn't housekeeping, but it all worked out. It was staff, just a little, literally my worst nightmare. You know, so, and also those little hack lock things that you can get on Amazon don't fit in all of the doors here that we've noticed, because my friend and I do have one, but they don't, there's no deadbolt to put it in, and the key latch, it doesn't fit in. So just be aware if you buy one of those things, it might not work internationally. So, but all good. Okay, so here is the new room. Here's the bathroom here. Remember, you need to have key card for the lights in most places in Europe. So, or outside the United States. Ooh, la la. All right, big old tub right here. Shower head, hi. Bathroom, toilet, bidet. Oh, I like little slippers. And then this is the bed. Very nice, very nice. I love the murals on the wall. So pretty. All right, let's see what our view is out here. Oh, we have like a little balcony. Oh yay, we're at the front of the building. These are noise canceling doors too, but oh, look at the view. I love it. Everything happens for a reason, guys. In the midst of chaos, beauty, right? Okay, similar to the other elevators, there's no first floor when you walk in. There's a 0 floor. This is the ground floor, and then it goes up. So if you're ever in a hotel where your room number is under 100, it's on floor 0, the ground floor. Just FYI. Stop it right now. It just dispensed the batter and it's cooking the pancake. Sorry, I forgot my camera upstairs. What? Like, what hotel has fresh pancakes? Yeah, it is. It's cooking the top too. That is so cool. Kacie, you didn't get to say good morning.
I did. Hi, good morning.
All right, we're walking back into town. We're gonna show us, this is Kacie's home actually, hometown.
Yes,
so, yay! Okay, we are heading back into the leather place really quick just to have a little bit more time since we didn't get to yesterday. Okay, so I got this little key holder thing, and I was like, what do you mean by key holder? Look how nifty this is. It holds multiple keys all at once. Like, is that not genius? So cool. So I got this for Marcos. MVS, please. So he does it by hand. How cool is that? And it looks easy, but it requires a lot of skill. Oh, here's all his little pieces. These are all the letters. So you can choose silver or gold, but I'm gonna do silver because it matches. Thank you. All right, we are now just leaving the leather place. We got our little gift bag. Here's that beautiful church again. Jess and I are gonna find a place to eat outside. I just wanna try a new place today. The rest of the group decided to go back to Pino's because, I mean, I don't blame them. It's so good. But I did want to try some other things while I'm here. All right, we came to this place for lunch. I'm not quite sure what it's called. They have a nice looking menu though. Well, look at this though. Just casually sitting at lunch next to a giant, gorgeous building in the middle of this plaza in Italy. All right, we got some bellinis. Oh, they look so good and refreshing. It's a beautiful day. Grazie. Whoa. So does your pizza. This looks amazing. So I got cod with peppers, also pepperoni. For pepperoni, here are peppers, not like pepperoni like on her pizza. And then I got potatoes. Okay, we just finished lunch. That pizza was amazing. I'm embarrassed to say this, but I don't love pizza, but I love Italian pizza. Like, pizza in Italy is way different even than saying like Italian pizza in the United States. Oh my gosh, that was really good. I'm super full, so I actually pre-planned outfits to make sure I could be a little bloated for all the carbs I was gonna eat here. So we're good, but we're gonna go to the plaza now and do some shopping. And then I saw that chocolate wall thing I saw yesterday. They have crepes in there, so I might go try and get a crepe later too. I just wanted to see the different versions of Fanta, Sprite, Coke. That's so cool. Okay, we came into Lego store really quick, but look, they have a little friends set. Okay, who are my friends, people? Comment down below. Who is your favorite? And would you buy this? Okay, here's another one. That's the, oh my gosh, the coffee shop. Oh my gosh. So talented. My guilty pleasure. I love Michael Kors. Came back to the chocolate place. Is this the line? Oh, they have crepes. Oh, look at this. Is that not so dreamy? They have gelato, chocolate covered marshmallows and things, candy, chocolate. I am getting gelato of mango and cappuccino. I love coffee ice cream, well, and gelato. Look at all these doggies. Oh my gosh. So many floofy butts. So this is one of the famous statues too. The guy, I can't remember his name, riding the horse, but they're restoring it. So they took him off of the horse to fix it up. Okay, so we're walking to a wine window now, but we're crossing this bridge that, I don't know if you remember yesterday you could see. Yesterday I was taking pictures over there. Over here, so this is looking at this bridge over here. Whoa! Ah! Look how far down. So pretty. Okay, this area has a lot of jewelry too. Like, oh my goodness, Rolex and all that good stuff. Look at these chess pieces. Only 700 euro. That's fine, right? Not even into chess, but they look so pretty. Oh my god, so tiny! Okay, we came to this wine window. We can order, and a mysterious hand hands you wine. Just got wine from a window, no big deal. We came here for the wine window. I don't know how to say this, but like if I said it, I'd be like, bebe. I know that's not how you say it, but it's cute. So you can go inside, but there's also a window here. It's getting towards the end of the trip, and because this is where Kacie lives, I wanted to give her the things that I brought, the snacks, you know, so that if she wants to, she can, you know, bring it home instead of bringing it back to Rome with her when we go back to Rome. So I put it in this bag of stuff because I didn't want her to have to carry them individually. So here we go. Hello. Hi. Can I come in?
Yeah, come in. Okay.
Okay, I may have gotten you a few things.
What do you mean you got me a few things?
Okay.
Do I open?
No, not yet. Okay. Wait.
I'll wait here.
Actually, I'm gonna set it up.
Oh my god. Serious? Oh my god.
I'm serious.
Anything.
Well, you guys, you've done so much for us on this trip. Okay, hold on.
Oh, how much did you get? Oh my god. What?
Hold on, there's more.
There's more.
It's really not a big deal.
Wait.
Okay, open.
Open. Oh no, you didn't. Oh.
I tried to find all the most things I could from your TikTok.
This is literally the best thing I have ever received. Oh my god. Can I
Of course.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
You don't understand the commodity that this is. Oh.
I literally went back and watched your video to make
You
sure I
did
got
not.
everything in the video.
Turkey and Cheetos, which are these are going to be gone tomorrow. Honestly.
There you go. There you go.
Can I tell you, literally, I got Dario addicted to this.
Did you?
Addicted to it.
Oh
In
my
the US,
gosh.
he was so skeptical, and I was like, baby, this
I've
is
actually
it.
neat had that. I need to try it. I got it. I saw it in
You
your
have
video.
to
so I was
get
like,
it.
I'm
You
gonna
have to get it. It's so good, and literally, like, I got him addicted to that. Oh my god, thank you so
Of course.
We're out and about again. We came out to eat at a place Kacie recommended, and we somehow squeezed a bunch of people into a small restaurant at the last minute.
Oh, that's pretty good actually. Yeah. Okay, let's try this one. It's fine. I got 2 wines, whatever. That's fine. Italy.
We're so happy that you're
Ooh, I like it. It's like a sweeter wine.
I got chicken with asparagus and a creamy mustard sauce, and also with the gnocchi. Oh, it all looks so good.
Okay, it is the next day. I forgot to end the vlog yet again. It gets crazy, but we made it back home last night and I just went to bed and started packing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.